Well, she can't believe it. She is incensed that that is the set point.
There was no joke coming up.
Well, you can see the review after the match, but I'm very sure
Look at the screen of they.
She is adamant that that was on its way out.
6-4, 6-4, 6 games to 4.
The umpire
You've got to be
unable to help her.
It's same as yesterday. You're just sitting in the chair counting points.
Sounds like she's used one of John McEnroe's famous phrases.
The state of the art fleet. We work to serve our passengers.
We'll have another look at it shortly. Here's some of the highlights from the first set. On its head and now leads by 6 games to 4 in this first set. Wraps it up.
Time.
Touch fortuitous, you could say, at the end. Certainly think that Kirsten Flipkens might be saying that, perhaps using a stronger word. But it took 34 minutes for that first set to conclude, and
You have to apologize to me after the match.
you would hope now that Kirsten Flipkens can contain her anger and use it as a weapon to fight back here. Use it for good, if you like. She looks for a way back.